Welcome to 2023 from Polkadot. My name is Richie. You can find me on the usual places on social media, and in under 5 minutes I'm going to update you on the most exciting things happening on Polkadot right now. Let's jump in. Today we're going to be looking at 3 most exciting things happening on Polkadot. The first is InvArch, the foundation of the creator economy, followed by WagMedia, the create-to-earn platform, especially for creators who are looking to create to earn. Then we're going to take a final look at Basilisk, the most bullish project right now, who has had such a significant pump. You don't want to miss out on Basilisk Finance. InvArch, you may have heard of them, maybe not. However, you absolutely need to. First and foremost, just prior to the new year, they launched their multi-sig proposal called Saturn for the Kusama ecosystem, and it was approved. Well done. It's going to completely revolutionize the multi-sig solutions, which were very problematic for Kusama. Now, going into the new year, they've just launched something called OSIF, On-Chain Innovation Funding. What exactly is that? This takes crypto staking to a whole new level, whereby you as an investor or a creator, you can launch your project and you can receive funding by people who believe in your project, who love your project in a way that revolutionizes everything, and everybody grows together. Now, who are the people behind this? First of all, we have a guy called Decentralized. This man is an absolute visionary. I really recommend that you listen to him because he understands interoperability, something which Polkadot prides itself on, to another level, together with his partner and co-founder of the InvArch network, Tinker Gabe. Both of them I strongly suggest that you follow on Twitter because they really do have so many different insights into where things are heading into 2023. Now, I could speak about this all day. However, they did have an alpha chat. I'll put the description in the link below on Twitter, where they do go into much greater detail about all of the projects that are going to happen in 2023. But on-chain innovation funding, this is a way where young creators, they can come in and avoid all the complications of a crowd loan, and they can launch their project, and investors can come in and they can stake their Tinker according to which projects they believe in, they would like. For example, WagMedia. They are create to earn. WagMedia is a create to earn Discord server for content creators to benefit by helping to grow the whole ecosystem of Polkadot. And if you're interested in the prospect of create to earn, I've put a really cool YouTube video in the description box below. It's by the Kusamarian, who explains exactly what WagMedia is, how to onboard, and how you can be earning there and growing there as a content creator, which is never a bad thing. That helps you grow, that helps your portfolio if you want to grow in Web3. Everybody's looking for a bullish project. Why not? Everybody wants to go to the moon and grow. Take a look, because this is the classic definition of to the moon. I don't know what that means for you, but for me, I would say it probably means more than a 50% growth in the space of 24 hours. That is what we love about crypto and Web3. It has that wild volatility, and we can just ride those waves. And sometimes it means we need to hodl, but sometimes it means that we can ride those waves. And nobody has done better this week in the crypto space than Basilisk. Basilisk, they are the innovators on Polkadot of the LBP, that's liquidity bootstrapping pool, which really gives young creators with minimal capital requirements a huge chance at token price and discovery, to name just a few. I'd strongly recommend you learn about Basilisk because they are bullish. So you're fully informed and updated on the most exciting things happening on Polkadot this week. However, if you would like to join the OSIF staking public testing, it's still going on for another 20-something days. It will finish before the 1st of February. You can join in right now. It's so simple. And at the same time, they have a pool of 50,000 Tinker, which they're giving away to the participants of the project. But more than that, it's fun. And this is a way to test what is going to actually become live. I can't wait for it. Hope that you can't either. Everybody, you're fully updated. We'll be seeing you in the next one.